Hi, today we are going to see how to place an order on Weblonix Restaurant Management Software. So, simply you can see there are three different tabs. One is for table for dining customers, one is for menu. You can select the menus over here. I'll explain it later. Then we have the order history or order record table. Now, let's suppose we have we are on the table and let's select a table over here. Now after selecting the table, we will get a menu over here where you can see you can create as many categories that you want and you can add the products by yourself. Now simply we are going to place an order from here. Let's suppose we are selecting a large pizza, then we have soft drink, then we have some fries over here, and simply confirm this and place an order. Okay, now simply if you want to if some customer wants to pay, they finish the meal, we will simply select the table and then we have two options: quick payment and checkout. On quick payment, if we click on this, we will get an option. Let's click on this. We are getting this option. It's a simple way which we want to do: cash, credit or debit. Now let's suppose debit card, and it's done. It's that simple. Now let's suppose you want to do a long process and go for checkout and see the other things. Let's suppose we are going on checkout and now we have different options available over here. Let's suppose you want to split the bill. You can simply click on the product and you can split the bill. If you don't, then cancel this split over here. Now if you want to add any sort of temporary charges or service charges you apply or you are charging, then you can simply click on this and enter the amount and plus. Now you're going to see this over here. Now let's suppose you want to give the discount by amount, by percentage, then you can simply click on this and add a discount over here. And we have these payment methods over here. If you want to add a customer, let's suppose you have an existing customer over here, you can select that. If you don't, then you can simply click on this and let's suppose we have David. Now add to sale. We are simply going to add this. The David is added over here. Now select the payment method. Let's suppose it's cash payment. Enter the amount. Let's suppose customer paid 2000 and the remaining amount is 200. Click on checkout, confirm, and if you have attached the printer, it will print out the bill. Now it's ready for the next customer. It's available. Now let's suppose the customer is eating their food and want to order something new. Simply click on this and now we are going to go over here on ordering. Let's suppose the customer orders something else and go for this, and now we again going to place an order. Now after placing an order, we will see these are the two new things that customer orders and these were the previous things. Okay, you can print it from here and click on this and it will, if you have a printer, then it will order receipt or prescription, it will go to the kitchen display system and then you can go for that. Now let's suppose we are going back and we have this one. Now if you want to pay, simply click on this and we will quick pay. We will go for this and click on cash. Now it's done. All the tables are available right now. Now let's suppose we go to the menu section, and if we have any sort of takeaway customer or any delivery customer, what we need to do is that we are going to place the order from here, select the items, confirm, then the Zinger burger, and now we have an option. If the customer wants dine in right now, we can click on simply dine in and choose the table from here. We will get the available tables over here and we can select any table we want. Now if it's a non-dine-in customer, then we can select the takeaway, self-delivery, or is there the customer is from any other third party delivery platform, let's suppose Food Panda, Uber Eats or anyone else. Now let's suppose we have a self-delivery, then we can enter the address or something. If you want, then we will place an order. Click on this one. Now it's in queue. Now let's go to the table. We will see this this is the delivery that we have the order created over here. We can simply click on checkout once it's ready. Let's suppose we are going to click on checkout, and we need to click on cash and simply checkout and confirm. It's done. Now if we want to see the order record, we are going to simply go over here. We don't have any unpaid orders right now from online platform as well. We don't have any unpaid or to accept orders. Now we are going to see the completed orders, in-store orders. We have one delivery order, then dine-in, and all the record you can see over here. If we have any online orders, we can see from here. Here we have the online orders detail. Then we have if we have any third-party orders, we can see from here. We have a one order from Food Panda. We can see from here. It's that simple.